Already just came across this guy. Probably a year old. Pretty nice looking. I look down, it's probably 60, 70 yards away. I don't think you can see it, he's right in the middle of the screen, but let's walk down there and get him, pick him up. Alrighty, just walked over here to this one. You know, he might be a brown. I don't know, it's kind of hard to say. But it's kind of neat finding them two. About 60 yards away from each other. Alrighty. Right off this game trail. Little guy, probably a year old. Alrighty, just found this little guy. Like 2, 3 years old. Not bad. Well, another little forkhorn. Not bad. Let's see what this one find. I just made it back to the truck. Ended up with 6 buck sheds, and it rained a lot. It rained on me for like 2.5 hours, and I don't know if you can tell, soaked through. But anyhow, it was a good day. Thanks for watching.